Here's how to make a smooth and creamy New York baked cheesecake that you can have for breakfast, lunch or dinner, and it will be served with a blueberry compote. Well, some people have muffins for breakfast and that's basically a cake, so why not have cheesecake for breakfast as well? Anyway, here's the recipe. Take 8 digestive biscuits and crush them using your choice of pulverizing equipment. I used a blender, but a rolling pin and plastic bag will also do the trick. Add 50 grams of melted butter and mix in. Grease the base of an 18cm baking tin which has a removable base and line it with baking paper. Pour the biscuit mixture into the base and flatten. Also line the sides of the tin with some baking paper. This will make it easier to remove the cake from the tin. Also place some tinfoil around the base of the tin. It doesn't have to be neat as it will be used for catching any leaks from the tin. To make the cream cheese topping, blend together 400 grams of full fat soft cheese, 200 grams of sour cream and 100 grams of sugar. Don't worry about remembering the ingredients because they're in the description. If you're using an electric whisk, use it on its lowest setting because we don't want to add too many air bubbles into the mixture as this will cause cracks to appear. Also add in 2 eggs, juice from half a lemon, lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of plain flour and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all into a smooth paste. Pour the mixture into a tin and then bash the tin against the surface to remove as much of the air bubbles as possible. Before cooking the cheesecake, place it into a tin and add some hot water to make a water bath. The water bath will help the cake to cook evenly. Bake in the oven at 170 Celsius for 30 minutes and then turn it down to 150 degrees Celsius and cook for a further 40 minutes. While the cheesecake is cooking, make the blueberry compote. There are only 3 ingredients to this and those are 100 grams of blueberries, juice from half a lemon and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Simply cook for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Allow the cake and compote to cool before serving.